Hello friends, welcome to Sai Academy. I am going to solve a problem based on the photoelectric effect, which is also a particle aspect of the electromagnetic radiation. This question was asked in BARC exam. So question is, when two ultraviolet beams of wavelengths lambda 1 is equal to 280 nanometer and lambda 2 is equal to 490 nanometer fall on a lead surface. They produce photoelectrons with the maximum max energy is 8.57 electron volt and 6.67 electron volt respectively. So estimate the numerical value of Planck constant. B. Calculate the work function and also calculate the cutoff frequency nu naught for lead. So let us solve this. As we have discussed in the video lecture on photoelectric effect, kinetic energy of the electron will be given by h nu minus h nu naught, where h is the Planck constant, nu is the frequency of incident radiation and nu naught is the cutoff frequency, which further can be written as k is equal to hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. So for the first UV beam, if kinetic energy is k1 and for second UV beam kinetic energy is k2, then k1 is equal to hc by lambda 1 minus hc by lambda naught, and k2 is equal to hc by lambda 2 minus hc by lambda naught. If this is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. Subtracting equation third from 2, we get k1 minus k2 is equal to hc 1 by lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda 2, which reduces to hc lambda 2 minus lambda 1 divided by lambda 1 lambda 2. Therefore, H is equal to K1 minus K2 lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by C into lambda 2 minus lambda 1. This is equation number 4. Now substituting these values, we get the photoelectrons maximum energy is given in electron volt. So we will calculate in joule by putting 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So from this 8.57 minus 6.67 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 3 into 10 to the power 8. This is joule and this is meter per second, and value of lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by lambda 2 lambda 1 will be written as here 280 into 10 to the power minus 19 9 meter into 490 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter divided by 490 minus 280 into 10 to the power minus 9. So gives H is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, which is very close to the exact values. Now second part, since the work function is fixed for the given surface, lead surface, we can calculate the work function from any of the two equations of kinetic energy. So K1 is equal to Hc by lambda 1 minus phi 1, and phi 1 is equal to hence Hc by lambda 1 minus K1. After substituting the value for Planck constant h, speed of the light c, and kinetic energy for the first ultraviolet beam, we get phi 1 is equal to minus 6.62 into 10 minus 19 joule, that is equivalent to minus 4.14 electron volt. So this is the work function, and this acts as a barrier for the electron, which needs to overcome for getting it emitted from the metal surface, lead surface. Now the cutoff frequency can be calculated from the work function is equal to h nu naught, where nu naught is the cutoff frequency. So work functions, substituting the value for work function 6.62 into 10 to the minus 19, and the Planck constant 6.62 into 10 to 34 joule second, we get 10 to the power 15 hertz. So this cutoff frequency is equal to 10 to the power 15 hertz. In this way, we can calculate the cutoff frequency, work function. So This is the solution. I hope you like this solution.